U-turn disaster. I just about went in the lake.
What started as a peaceful winter hike nearly turned into an ice-cold swim, but it ended up with some of the most incredible escarpment views we've ever seen. Today we're exploring one of Ontario's most beautiful winter hiking destinations, Mono Cliffs Provincial Park. We've got frozen lakes, escarpment views, and hopefully no surprises. Let's go. We arrived early, the air crisp and perfectly still. The kind of winter silence that makes every sound feel amplified. There's something special about starting a hike when the world feels untouched.
Well, hi. Today we're out at Mono Cliffs Provincial Park on the Niagara Escarpment section of it. We're going to check out some of the hiking trails in the area and some of the views. Just left the car park and hit the trail. Let's check it out. It's cold, fresh air. So far it's been a bit of climbing uphill a bit, warming the legs up. Very nice. Nice crisp air in the lungs.
Carriage trail is either back that way or this way.
Yeah. We'll keep going this way. No on the... Looks like a person with a beard on. Ooh.
That's when we'd need snowshoes.
That looks cool. Oh. The deep snow here.
Huh?
The deep snow there.
That's what we use there.
Yeah. There's another corner.
So spillways are either viewing platforms that way.
Alright, let's go this way.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. What a winter wonderland. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Someone's been on skis along this part of the track. Very nice coming down the hill. Pity we're walking up the hill. Some would say it beats the mid 40-degree heat and the flies. And dust storms. Isn't that crazy? Some of the trees have still got leaves on them.
Yeah.
Must be well protected.
Still have leaves on them.
Yeah, well protected. Oh, look at that.
Let's go.
What do you think of that?
Yeah, pretty awesome. Oh, look at that. Oh, and there's a seat. Oh, magical.
We reach a small frozen lake. It looks solid, peaceful, harmless.
You can hear the water, I can't really see it. It's obviously covered in the snow. Nice. Yeah.
Look at that tree, all of the leaves like.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Too thin to walk on.
Huh?
That would be walking on thin ice.
thin ice at that.
Jane cleaned off the seat ready for us to sit and take in the beauty of a frozen lake. Just as I turned the camera off, I stepped forward and suddenly the ice gave way beneath my feet. For a split second, my heart stopped. Thankfully, I'm quick on my feet.
Well, that just about turned disastrous. I walked on there.
There's his footprint.
Oh.
And it just cracked all this.
Yeah, I just about went in the lake.
Must be right up to here.
Yeah, like a using falls in there.
Luckily, I was close enough to the shore that I didn't plunge in, but that icy water was right there, a sharp reminder. Winter landscapes may look calm, but they demand respect. After that little adrenaline rush, we took a moment to just sit. No talking, no phones, just the stillness. From the lake, we climbed toward the top of the escarpment. The trail steepens here, the ice cleats keeping us from slipping over. Every step upward reveals a little more of the landscape.
That must be the boardwalk, I reckon.
At the top, a wooden walkway traces along the cliff's edge. From here, we can truly appreciate the scale of the escarpment. It's dramatic, rugged and wild. And then the lookout. The views were out of this world, rolling forests stretching endless across the winter landscape. I sent the drone up to capture the escarpment from above, and that's when you really see how incredible this place is.
Get a bit tired, did you?
Huh?
Get a bit tired. Very deep. This is a bit easier going downhill now. Down the escarpment.
The way back down had one final surprise. Ice-covered stairs. Let's just say walking wasn't the
Step on the
fastest
grooves.
option.
One way of doing it.
dare they?
Sometimes you just have to embrace the fun.
Oh, we just ended up back at the car park.
What an incredible day. Mono Cliffs in winter is something special. Just maybe test the ice a little more carefully than I did. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit that like button and subscribe for more hikes across Ontario.
Just checking trail forks for our hike. We walked for 2 hours 2 minutes and we've done 5.6 kilometres.
It's not very far.
With an average speed of 2.8 kilometres an hour. Well, we did stop a fair bit. We climbed 132 metres, and for some reason we only came down 131. So we're still hovering somewhere. Good, so what a great day. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next one.